Hello and welcome to today's video of the 30 Days of Etsy series. In today's video, I'm going to be going over a review of the past week of opening up a brand new Etsy shop. So we're up to week 3 now, so a lot has been happening and I'm actually starting to see a few more favorites of my shop and a few favorites on my listings as well. So I know that I'm starting to get in front of more people. I'm starting to get that traffic to my Etsy shop, which is oh so important to eventually getting those sales. And that takes me to the sales. Well, in fact, it's been a little bit flat this week. We started off last week with getting that first sale and I haven't actually gotten any additional sales since, but I'm not worried at all about that because what I'm doing at the moment is I'm building up a solid foundation for my shop so that in weeks, months, or even years to come, my Etsy shop is still bringing in sales, bringing in that income for me and working pretty much behind the scenes. I sell digital products, which means I do it once, I set it and forget it. And then while I'm sleeping or while I'm, spending time with my family on weekends, I'm still getting those sales coming in and I don't have to do anything after that. Once the purchase has been made, the shopper then downloads their digital file and then it's done. So it's as easy as that. So I believe putting in the extra effort up front, so you're putting in all that hard work, all that sweat equity, you're doing that all up front, and then you're going to reap all the benefits and all the rewards of it later. Now, before we get into today's video, I just want to quickly mention a brand new free resource that I've created to go along with this series. It's a resource I've created for our brand new Etsy sellers, so our Etsy newbies, to help you set up a successful Etsy shop right from the start. So inside this roadmap, you're going to find all the steps that I recommend to help you start, launch, and then grow your Etsy shop. It's going to help you lay down all those foundations that I've mentioned that are going to help you build and grow your Etsy shop over weeks, months, and years to come. It's called the Startup with Etsy Roadmap, and you'll find it at aliciarafiei.com/Etsy Roadmap, or I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. It's a free download, so all you got to do is just put your name and your email in, and I'll send that resource straight over to you. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into today's video, all about what's been happening in the last week of opening up a brand new Etsy shop. Okay, so what are the things that I've learned in the past week of opening up my brand new Etsy shop? Okay, so we've learned how to optimize our Etsy shop listings by creating and uploading videos to go along with our product listings. We've also talked about using quality images for your Etsy listings as well. We've also talked about the importance of making sure that your Etsy shop is correctly set up. You've got your Etsy shop policies in order and also your other shop settings to make it a well-rounded shop that customers are going to be happy to purchase from. Additionally, having your Etsy shop all set up ready to go also helps with your Etsy shop ranking as well, so your quality score that Etsy gives you. We've discovered some secret tips and tricks that help boost our traffic and then in turn get those sales. We've also gone through how to give our shop an in-depth Etsy shop critique to get that oh so valuable information from test shoppers so that we can make improvements to our shop to better the experience for our customers. So yeah, we've gone through quite a few things this week to help us boost that traffic and sales. Now, as I mentioned previously, we haven't actually got those sales as yet, but don't worry, they are to come. I've already seen the success in Penny Street Studio. Sometimes you just got to give things time. And when you're building and you're creating new product listings and, tweaking your shop, you're bound to get more traffic and then that's going to lead to conversions and then sales. I guess this is also a kind of like a reminder that if you aren't seeing sales in your Etsy shop within the first 30 days of opening it, please don't be discouraged because really, if you're following the steps that I show you here on YouTube or within the Startup with Etsy roadmap, you're bound to set those really great foundations for your Etsy shop that are going to get you the traffic and then entice your customers to buy, okay? So don't be discouraged if you haven't got that sale just yet. I'm here to prove that it just does take a little bit of time. Okay, so what videos are we going to see in the next week of the 30 Days of Etsy series? Well, for one, let's keep our fingers crossed for some more sales. So hopefully in the next 7 days, I'll have an update on the sales progress of my Etsy shop. But if not, it's okay, no worries at all. We'll just keep building on those strong foundations. So next week, we're going to go through a few additional ways to boost your Etsy traffic. And one of them is going to be with Etsy ads. So I'm really excited to show you how to use Etsy Etsy ads to boost that traffic using your keywords to your Etsy shop and then convert them into sales. I'm also going to be opening up a brand new Pinterest account for the Makers Branding shop. I'm going to show you the entire process of how to open up a new Pinterest account for your Etsy shop, how to link it to your Etsy shop, and then how to create pins to go with your Etsy listings and then use those to drive traffic to your Etsy shop. I've seen some great success using Pinterest for Penny Street Studio, my other Etsy shop. I'm really excited to show you how I've implemented Pinterest into my marketing strategy for my Etsy shop. Okay, so yes, lots more to expect in the next week of the 30 Days of Etsy series. Now, if you've been enjoying these videos, I would really appreciate some feedback. Let me know which videos have helped you most, which videos you've enjoyed watching, what steps you've learned, and maybe what I can do to help you even more and create more valuable information for you. I want to help you build an online business that you love. So if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and why not consider subscribing? I'm going to be here over the next week or so giving my final tips and tricks on how you can start a brand new Etsy shop. And beyond the 30 Days of Etsy series, I plan on uploading more videos to help you with your Etsy shop. So it may not be as consistent as an upload every day. It has been quite a lot of work to do this, but I'm confident that I'll be providing you even more valuable content around building up your Etsy shop here on YouTube. Okay? Now don't forget to go ahead and download that free resource that I created for you, the Startup with Etsy Roadmap. I'll leave a link in the description box below, or feel free to head over to aliciarafiei.com/Etsy Roadmap. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope that this was a handy update for you of what's been happening behind the scenes for the Makers Branding shop, and I'll be here again, same time, same place tomorrow. Bye for now.